If you're looking for premium-powered speakers that can replace both a traditional stereo system and a soundbar, the Klipsch The Sevens deserve a spot on your shortlist. These speakers combine vintage-inspired design with modern connectivity, making them one of the most versatile audio systems available. After spending time with the Klipsch The Sevens, it's easy to see why they're so popular among music lovers and home theater enthusiasts. The real wood veneer, metal knobs, and classic heritage styling give them a timeless appearance, while the built-in amplification means you don't need a separate AV receiver or amplifier. Just connect your TV, turn them on, and you're ready to enjoy high-quality sound. Audio performance is where these speakers truly shine. Each speaker features a 6.5-inch high-excursion woofer paired with Klipsch's signature 90° x 90° Tractrix Horn loaded tweeter, producing detailed highs, rich vocals, and powerful bass. Whether you're streaming music, watching movies, or gaming, the stereo imaging feels wide and immersive. The speakers also support 24-bit 192 kHz high-resolution audio, giving you exceptional detail from compatible sources. Connectivity is another major strength. You get HDMI ARC for TV audio, Bluetooth, USB, Optical, 3.5mm auxiliary, RCA with a built-in Phono preamp for turntables, and a dedicated subwoofer output. Everything is controlled through the Klipsch Connect app, where you can adjust EQ settings, update firmware, and fine-tune speaker placement. Of course, there are a few downsides. These speakers are fairly large and heavy, so they need proper stands or sturdy furniture. While the bass is impressive, listeners who want deep sub-bass for action movies or electronic music may still want to add a powered subwoofer. Some users also note that firmware updates are worth installing to ensure the best long-term experience. Who should buy these? If you want audiophile quality stereo sound, excellent TV performance, and beautiful heritage styling without purchasing separate components, the Klipsch The Sevens are an outstanding choice. If you're simply looking for inexpensive desktop speakers or a compact Bluetooth speaker, they're probably more than you need. Overall, the Klipsch The Sevens deliver premium sound, outstanding connectivity, and elegant design in one complete package. They remain one of the best powered speaker systems you can buy in 2026. If you're interested in picking up a pair, click the Amazon affiliate link below to check the latest price and availability. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.